morning, everybody. We're coming from you on this beautiful, rainy Sunday. All the hens and all the turkeys are stuffed inside. The ducks are outside enjoying the rain. Had a great windstorm yesterday, tore everything up, knocked everything over. Ooh, fluffy turkey. Look, we're even leaking. Look at this. Our lights are off because it's leaking. We definitely need to do something about getting a new hen house because of the leak. Let's come check everybody out. What is that? Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my gosh, it's an egg! It's our first egg! And that's a chicken egg! Oh my gosh, it's a chicken egg! We got our first egg! Who gave us our first egg? Are there any more? Oh my gosh! Who's laying eggs? Who's laying eggs? What good baby is laying eggs? I wouldn't plug that in while it's raining. We don't want electrocuted. Oh my gosh, we have an egg! We have an egg! That's a chicken. Don't eat it, turkey. Oh, how exciting! Hey, you're standing on the chicken. Oh my gosh, how exciting. We got our first egg. It's all rainy and gloomy and yucky. Hi, Charlie. There's Red. Red has decided to start crowing. Hi, Red. Are you gonna crow? Yeah, you don't like the rain either, huh? All right, let's go check out the duck pen. Turkey doesn't like the rain. But then again, they do. But then again, they don't. Let's check out this, and we got some hens in here. What's going on in here, guys? A little bit drier. Well, we got a duck egg. And we got a hen sitting on a nest. Were you nesting? Huh? Were you nesting? No chicken egg. We got a duck egg. Just one. All right. Lovely weather. No egg inside there. We got a chicken egg! I'm so excited! Oh, there's our tarp that blew down. Big windstorm yesterday. Here's our dusting area. Full of feathers. I put some diatomaceous earth inside of there, in the dirt, so that when they scratch and roll around and puff up in it, it gets in their feathers and keeps fleas and ticks away. And it doesn't hurt them if they eat it. Kind of cleans out their system. Good morning, Freckles. Good morning, Freckles. Good morning, Mr. Frizzle. You gonna crow again? Crow for me. Not you. Come on, Freckles, crow for me. He got into a big fight with a turkey yesterday. And the turkey knocked the crap out of him. He fell asleep in my arms like 3 times. And every time he woke up, he crowed. It was funny. Are you gonna crow? Come on, my pretty rooster. Good morning, Freckles. Are you camera shy? You just stand there and let the camera just record you, and you're like totally frozen. Are you camera shy or you just loving the spotlight? There's Odin. She's a sweetheart. There's Caramel Corn. That's TJ's. She is so pretty. And there's a turkey. What are you doing, Freckles? You're just standing there. Do something. There you go. Good boy. It's the rain, huh? We don't like the rain. What are you doing? My Freckles. Come and check it out. What is this thing? What is this? That's my boy. All right, let's go back into the hen house. We cleaned it out yesterday, and I put some new wood shavings in, and I covered it with diatomaceous earth as well, so that they could dust and pick and keep the bugs away. Ooh, we got some salad. Hurry, throw it. Say the secret words. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Those are the secret words. We've taught them to come running when we say that. And it's always food. Little Seabright. So we kind of had a tragic day yesterday. We found one of the little silkies in the duck pond. Must have fallen in and couldn't get out. And yesterday evening we lost another buff silkie and one of my barred rock babies. And we don't even know why. We don't know why it just died. But that's part of having chickens. You gotta figure it out and fix it, whatever it is. But we got eggs! I'm so happy we got eggs! All right, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.